What's the meaning of artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence.
Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to the ability of machines to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as recognizing speech, processing natural language, making decisions, and learning from experience. AI can be divided into two main categories: narrow or weak AI, which is designed to perform specific tasks within a limited domain, and general or strong AI, which seeks to achieve human-level intelligence that can generalize across different domains. Its applications are diverse and include healthcare, finance, transportation, and entertainment, among others.